Hi, I'm Nat and today we're on the Sunshine Coast. I'm here with Reese Bathrooms and we're going to see a GJ Gardner home. It's behind me and I can't wait to take a look. The Hampton style is certainly something that I absolutely adore. Look at this open plan living space in this kitchen. I could certainly see myself having a few dinner parties in this space. What I love about this kitchen is the fact that you've got this wow factor showcase piece here with the butler sink, which has always been a favourite of mine. But then you've got it coupled with the practicality, which is over here in the butler's pantry, where you've got the double stainless steel sink where you can clean all of your dishes, put them away, and no one knows that there's chaos behind the scenes. Wow, and look at this adults retreat. It's absolutely stunning. That beautiful, comfy, big bed. But today, we're here to check out the bathroom, so let's go and have a look. Wow, straight away, I see the double basins that we have here, no fighting in the morning, and the chrome tapware, which is absolutely timeless and classic for the Hampton style of this home. Heading over, a personal favourite of mine, a freestanding bath. People think you need a huge budget to have a freestanding bath, but check this one out with Reese, because I can tell you it's super affordable. And here I am in the shower of all places. Part of the GJ Gardner ensuite is this amazing and luxurious twin shower. Know that when buying a house with GJ Gardner Homes that they're using top quality Reese products in their bathroom. GJ Gardner Homes have a reputation for being the most trusted builder in Australia. And what I love about them is that they're local builders who work in the local area and know the community. But why don't you come and have a look yourself?